Okay, guys, so we've done the front end of the widget in the previous lecture. Now we want to do the back end so we can let the widget work. Can we drag and drop the widget into the scene? No, because as simple as the widget is 2D, not a 3D object. So what we need to do is we need to do another blueprint so the widget can appear into our screen. So we'll do play from here. You see there is no widget. We want the widget to appear. So we want to work on enabling the widget. Okay, so how do we add the widget now in a suitable way? So we do right click, blueprint class, or we do open level blueprint and do the widget there. But for everything to be organized, we'll do a class and we're gonna call it bp underscore my menu. Double click on it. I've got the scene root here and I've got the event graph. I'm gonna delete the other events and I will take from the event begin play and I will say create widget. So widget is created now. Which widget do you want? I want the menu widget. And I will say from here add to viewport. Exactly, target with return value. Compile, save, let's drag drop into the scene and do play now. Perfect. Now we've got our widget into our scene and all is okay. So if I do F11, my widget is exactly to scale. It's exactly the same size as the menu. Okay, great. There is something, guys, we want to hide. So we'll go to the menu and from the main BG trace, we want to hide the BG trace. Okay, compile, play. Let's see. So now background trace is still there. So we can just delete it because we're done from everything else. So replace with, I'm just gonna delete it, guys. So it's gone now, compile, play. There we go. Now it's gone. We can delete it, yes, because we don't need it anymore. We've traced everything. And these now we can make the visibility 1 or 0.8. Compile, play, perfect. Now it is 100% clear and everything is okay. I can decrease the opacity 80% or 90%, but for now I'm happy with what I've got. Okay, so now we want to advance our widget furthermore. So before this, when we do play and we do shift and F1, look here when we hover, we can get the icons that we programmed them. You see here, we did not continue the rest as the living room and the kitchen. So the meta hall and the kitchen should be as the sitting room. So we'll go to the sitting room, orange, yellow, white. We will take copy from here and I will paste the color here, paste, and here as well. And from here, I'll do copy for the color and I'll do paste here and paste here. Compile, save, play. So now when we do shift and F1, when we hover, we get all yellow and clicked is a different color. Here everything is okay. When I click, I get orange or yellow look. So this way our blueprint is organized and our widget is fully functional. So you see here, we've got a problem on the clicked. So let's go to the menu and go to this icon and see what is the problem. So in the pressed, we need to fix the music. Compile, save, so now it is fixed 100%. Shift F1, click yellow, click yellow. Everything is working functionally and all the buttons are working perfectly. Great, so that's for testing. So now we want to update our widget. So I want to go to the blueprints I've done. I'll go to BP My Menu. And from here, we want to update things more. So what we will do is get player, player controller. And from get player controller, we'll do enable input. This player controller, owning player, okay. And we'll connect this from here and this from there. Okay. And now, so I can do the command of the tab that enables the widget. So I'll do keyboard tab. There we go. And from the tab, I'll do flip-flop. So the first time I click, it does something, and the second time it does something else. And from here, I'll do set player, no, UI only. Set input mode UI only. And then we'll connect this to player controller. And from the flop, I'll do set game mode game only. Player controller as well. And I can, make things more organized and, just connect it this way if I want to. Also, it could work. So this way, when I do tab, it will work UI only. When I do tab again, it will work game mode only. Let's play now. Okay, but we want to add the mouse because the mouse is not available. Great, so what I will do now is I want to add the mouse. So I will type in show mouse. Let's uncheck context sensitive, exactly. Set show mouse cursor. And the player target is the player controller. And I want to enable it. And here, guys, sorry, it needs to be set game input, game and UI, not only UI. Game and UI here. And here, copy and paste. And then we uncheck the show mouse cursor. Compile, save. Let's play now. I come here, I do tab, I get the mouse and everything's okay. If I click tab again, the mouse is still there and I can click on anything I want. Here, guys, when we're doing tab, it's getting us something in Unreal we call focus mode. So this we need to remove so we don't get confused. So I'll go to the menu and I will select all these and I will look for something that is called focus. Let's see here or there. Okay, is focusable. I need to turn it off for all the buttons. Okay, here there is nothing. Okay, great. So now we turned it off. We removed focusable on the widget. We want to make sure, last thing, that everything is okay. I think there is something wrong, that I did not connect the player and is the widget to focus. Compile, save, play. Okay, the widget is here. We do edit. We get the mouse. I can select. I can do anything. So that's, guys, for the widget user interface in Unreal Engine. The next lecture, we will talk about animating our widget and how the widget is animated.